Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Zerolemon 4700 milliamp extended battery case for your Google Pixel 3 XL. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $40. Now I'm going to try to make this video quick. You've seen these battery cases before. If you got a Google Pixel 3 XL, you already know that the screen is pretty dim, so you're probably rocking it on max brightness, so your battery's draining real fast. Pick up one of these. All right, so let's check this out. $40. Nice white bag. Rah. Here we go. Simple and clean. Let's see what you get inside. Okay, weekly giveaways. User's instructions, Zerolemon promise. Plug them, file them to the side. Here's your battery case. Okay, file that. Little drop test. And here it is. Now this one kind of has that digital look to the back. I don't really know how I feel about that, but we'll talk about that in a minute. Here's your power button. All right, so if you tap that, you see you got 4 LEDs. So this one is actually full. I couldn't even see the LEDs with that digital pattern. I don't know why they did that. All right, press and hold for 3 seconds to turn it on. Let's get rid of this little sticker. OCD alert. Rah. Okay, inside, here's your directions. USB Type-C. USB Type-C pass-through charging. Or your cutouts, buttons, cutouts, buttons. All right, so now in order to rock this case, let me clear my scumbag activities. Slap your phone in, just line up that USB Type-C. Slap it on just like that. Now let me get a little wipe down. Here it is. Now you see, battery's not charging. We're on 82%. All right, so I'm going to press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. If I can find it. All right, here it goes. Press and hold for 3 seconds. Charging rapidly. And there it is. Now this case doesn't add too much extra thickness, but you got to remember, this is almost an extra 5,000 milliamp battery, so it's going to add some thickness, but it's still pretty lightweight. Minimum resistivity on this. This is not Slamboy certified, and this is not a protective case. Now I already know what y'all getting ready to say, so stop typing. Every time I do these videos, I get the same comments over and over. Oh, this case is ugly. This case is goofy. It's bulky. It's a brick. Same comments over and over. I can't stress this enough. This is not supposed to be a sexy case. This is not the most stylish case in the world. This is a portable battery. All right, it's all about functionality. Let me give you a perfect example. Say you're going to a wedding. You and your girlfriend, ladies, you and your man. You're going to a wedding, fellas. You got on your tuxedo. You got on your black Al Capone hat with the suede feather. You're doing it big. You're ready to kill the game. You park 2 blocks away from the church. You're getting ready to go inside. You looking like a movie. All of a sudden, it starts pouring rain. Now you with your girl. She tells you, okay, I got an extra umbrella. She pulls out the umbrella. It's a pink Mickey Mouse umbrella with big Mickey Mouse ears. And it says, I love Mickey Mouse on the side. What are you going to do? You're not going to say, you know what? This pink Mickey Mouse umbrella, it doesn't match my tuxedo. I'll just pass. I want my suede hat to get wet. Don't worry about me. I'm good. What are you going to say? You're not going to say that. You're going to be like, give me the umbrella. Who cares what it looks like? Why? Because it's protecting you from getting wet. Same thing with this battery case. It's not about look. It's not about style. It's protecting your phone's battery from dying. Now, when you're at that airport, and you got there 2 hours early, and you want to sit on YouTube for 2 hours, then you're broke ass flying on Spirit Airlines, you already know you don't got no TV, no entertainment, so you're going to be using your phone for the whole flight, 6-hour flight. By the time you land, you want your phone to still have battery. You don't want to be one of these douchebags sitting in the airport. Y'all see my pictures on Instagram, plugged into a little charger, sitting on the floor of the airport. Don't be that guy. All right, for $40, this is actually like walking around with 2 phones. You got your regular phone, and you got this. Now, when you're not using the case, if you're worried about how it looks, here's a simple solution. All right? This is how simple it is. If you're not using the case, take it off, put it in your pocket, and rock out. Now, you can put on your stylish case, put in your sexy case, do what you do. When you look at your phone, especially with the Pixel, as dull as this screen is, mine is always on max brightness. When you look at your phone and you got 10% battery left, you go in your bag, you pull out the case, you line up that USB. All right, don't force it in there. Nice and slow. Line it up. Hit the power button for 3 seconds. Let's get this going. Bang. Charging rapidly. And you out the door. Now, I know somebody's going to say, why not get a power bank for the same price? Orky got the little 20,000 milliamp battery cases for about the same price. And that's always an option. All right? I'm not going to knock that. That's an option. But if you like me, this is just one less thing to carry around. I don't got to worry about cables. I ain't got to worry about nothing. I got this. This is on my phone. And I'm good to go. And I can charge the phone while it's in my pocket or my bag. And if somebody tries to rob me at the airport, all I got to do is take off my hat, wrap this up in the hat, and I got a little weapon on deck. Anyway, Zerolemon, 4,700 milliamp battery, $40. Now, if you got a Pixel 3, they make the same one also. Rock. Let's check that one out. This will be for the Pixel 3. All right, the smaller version. Bang. Just like that. Now, if you notice, sometimes when you buy Zerolemon cases, they come with the digital look. I'm wondering, why did I just see that? Because I pulled out my OnePlus case, and this one is digital, same thing like that with that pattern on the back. And then I pulled out some of my Galaxy ones, like for my Note and my S9 Plus and my iPhone XS. Some of them are matte, and some of them have the digital. Basically, they all work exactly the same. Now, on a side note, I don't have a Google Pixel 3, all right, but I got this case extra. If anybody has a Google Pixel 3 and y'all rock with my channel and you want this case, hit me up and I'll send it to you. I'll just charge you the shipping and handle it because I'm broke. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. All right, so for everybody that I promised I was going to show y'all my favorite Google Pixel 3 XL case, here it is. Now, y'all seen the gray version already. This case is so dope. Now we got another color. All right, so let's check it out real quick. This is the charcoal black. This case is trolling me. Rah! All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay, they made that nice and hard. Giggity. Here's the charcoal black. Now, if you notice, it's a little bit of a different texture. Let's see. Now, you don't have that ugly green button. All right, all black everything. You still got your Google logo. Let's slap this on. Ooh, still has that material feel to it. Still feels good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. This is my favorite Pixel 3 XL case. When you put this case on your phone, it's almost like having a different phone. We out. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.